Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video we are going to look at how to create a free online store using Google Sites or with Google Sites. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set this thing up. I'm going to also show you exactly how to connect a free payment gateway, and I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a custom domain name like .tk, and I'm going to show you where to get a free domain name as well. And there are so many other things I'm going to be showing you in this video. So this video is packed with a lot of things, so what I want you to do is sit down, relax, and watch this video to the end in order for you to gain all the information you need. Now, before I dive straight into it, I want to show you that this website is also very responsive. So no matter the screen your users are using, whether a tablet or a desktop or a mobile phone, it is super responsive, and they are going to see the best result on their phone. So this is actually cool, and this is exactly what we want. So sit down, relax, let me guide you on and show you exactly what you need to do and some of the new stuff that have happened right here on Google Sites. So before we dive straight into it, my name is Kingsley from Obinnar.com. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this awesome channel. So with that out of the way, if you are subscribed already, thank you for coming back and watching this new video. It promises to be very educative, and you're going to really enjoy the video. So that said, like I said, we're going to be looking at how to create a free online store with Google Sites. Okay, so to do that, the first thing we need is to go to sites.google.com. Now before you do that, make sure you're already logged into your Google account. As you can see here, I'm logged into my Google account, so make sure you're logged in, because this website is going to be stored on your Google Drive. So your Google Drive is the free hosting platform that is actually going to host the website, so you want to make sure you have access to that. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is go to sites.google.com/new. so once you've gotten here, then now we need to create a project. Okay, so these are the sites that I've created in the history of my on this account. So yours might probably be new, so you need to create a project. So you can select from some of the templates here, but I like to go with the blank canvas so that I will have access to or design it exactly the way I want. Okay, so once you click on that blank canvas, it's going to actually load and bring us straight up to this part. Okay, so right here now we want to edit our website to exactly what we want. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, so now we're going to give this a name. We're going to call our store a name. So for this video, I'm going to call this Cool Store. Okay, Cool Store 1. Cool Store 1. Yeah, okay, let's say this is the name of our store, Cool Store 1, and I can change the font. I like to go with impact, and yeah, so I like to do it this way. So once we've gotten this out of the way, then don't forget to give your site a name here, or you can also add your logo. If you have a logo, you can upload your logo right here. Well, I don't have a logo, so I'll just call this CS1. Okay, so right now the next thing we need to do is to go to the background, make the background. Okay, so I'm going to actually select an image. So if you have an image, you can upload, but I'm going to select an image. So I'm going to say blue. I'm going to select a blue image right here. So there are several blues here, but I think I prefer this. So once you click on it, you click on insert. It's actually going to try to make it look good. So that's one thing I love with Google Sites. As you can see, this color is very popping, and that is exactly what we want it to be very clean. So once you've sort out the header and everything and it looks perfect, now I like to add a hook here. Okay, so I just kind of give it a text. So I might just say the best store available. So just give it a hook. So the best store available, I like to center this thing, so just center the text. I can as well change the font if I want. no, let's go with area is okay. Then the next thing I can do is I can increase this stuff to around 18. Yeah, so I think it's okay. Then I can also change the color of the side. Okay, so I can just choose any of the colors available, but I think the color is not matching, so let's try to change it. Okay, this one is okay with them, but we can as well say we want to upload an image or select an image. So I want to work with let's say I want to make that part red. So I just click on red, and it's going to pull out a whole lot of reds for us to choose. So let's work with this. This looks very cool. Yeah, so you can choose this, and the next thing you can do, if you don't like it, you can as well change it. Okay, let me say something like green. I think red is still popping too much. Let's say green right now. Okay, so we have various options for green. Then let me select this. Yeah, I think this could be okay. So remember, you can do whatever you want with it. So now that we've sorted out this two part, now the next thing we need to do, if you look at my intro video, this is just the products directly. So right now we need to add our product. So as you can see, this thing is very fast and easy to set up, but I'm going to show you some of the technical parts, so make sure to keep watching this video. So right now we need to add our product. So let's say I want to make it two products. Remember, you can make it 4, 3, 5, whatever number you want, but let's say I want to make it 2 products. So right now we have these two right now. Okay, so what we need to do is to enter our product image, then a little, then the price. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and go to this website called Pixabay. Okay, so I can download images from this website. Okay, so I don't have any product image on this laptop, so I'm going to download some in order for me to show you how it's done. So let's say this is a product. Let's check. By the way, Pixabay, this website is a website where you can find free stock quality images. As you can see on the screen, these are quality images, okay, and they are free to use. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so I can download this one for free and use it right here. Okay, so let me select this and download. So it's actually going to download on my system now. Yes, it's downloaded. So I can go back right now and upload this on the website. So yeah, I've uploaded it now and it looks perfect. So let's say this is what I'm going to be selling. So let me upload it again. Yeah, it looks great. So now that we have the product, okay, now that we have the product, and it's okay. So now the next thing we need to do is to give this product, you can decide to give it a description before you add the price. Okay, so you can as well place it anyhow you want it. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this part, and then leave this part alone. So let's say this is going for $100, or it's going for, let's say, 60,000 naira. So whichever currency you want, you can have it right here on your website. So I just wanted to use this format. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add a payment gateway, so you don't have to worry. All you need to do is watch this video as I'm doing it. Okay, so let's say this one is going for $200, and or we call it 120,000. yeah, so let's say these are the prices, and all I just need to do, let me duplicate this and duplicate it again so that it looks perfect. Yeah, so this is the store right now, and at any point you can as well preview this stuff. Okay, so if I click on preview, we can see how it looks. So it's looking professional and it's looking fantastic as well. We can also see how it looks on a mobile, and yeah, it's looking great. So now that we have this stuff right now, all we need to do is to enter all our products. So you can enter as many products as you want. This has no limit. Okay, so this doesn't have any limit to the number of products. So now that we've entered all our products, the next thing we need to do is we can as well, remember, if you want to add description, it's easy. All you need to do is to, you know, click on this text box and you know, take this text box to anywhere you want. Okay, so let's say I want to take this text box to this section. I want to add description to this product right now. All I need to do is take it right here and add my description. So I can say something like this is a good bag to use every day. So this is just as an example, so I can, you know, add description the way I want. Remember, you can do this for any of these products, but I'm not going to be adding description. I think it's self-explanatory like this. Okay, so once we have this up and running, now the next thing we need to do is, now we want to make sure we set up payment gateway. Now in this video we can use any payment gateway we want. So I like to use Flutter, but you can as well use your PayPal, and you can as well use Pay. Okay, so whichever payment gateway you want to use, it's totally accepted. Now I'm going to show you some of the ways to go about it. So right here, we just need to remember, if you don't have a Flutterwave account, it's as simple as you going to and create one. So just go to flutterwave.com. This actually helps you to collect payments anywhere in the world, because you can actually collect payments in United States dollars, and your customers can pay you through their banks and the rest of them. You can collect in your currencies. Okay, so it's lovely, and I love Flutterwave a lot. So you can as well use PayPal. Just create a PayPal button and add, but just follow me as I'm going to walk you through how to set this thing up real quick. Okay, so this is my Flutterwave account. So right now, all we need to do right now, since we have an account, I've set up an account and everything is perfect, you just need to go to payment. Once you're in payments, just go to payment links. So once you are in payment links, all we need to do now is to create a new payments link. Okay, so which type of link are we creating? We are creating a single charge payment link. Since this is a one product, since this is not a subscription product or a donation, we're going to be creating a simple charge payment. So once you click on create payment link, right now we need to give our payment link a name. So I could just say something like new bag, and then give it a description if I want. So you can give it a description to know what the payment link is all about. So once we've done that, now we need to select the currency. Like I told you, you can do United States dollars. There are a whole lot of currencies right here, so you can use Flutterwave to collect payments in different countries. So I can select United States dollars. So let's look for USD. So let's look for USD. Yeah, this is USD, and let's say it's going for 100 USD. So 100 USD, perfect. Now you can also upload an image to the payment link. Now if you have the product of your image, you can do that, like just the way we have this bag. I can upload this, and as you can see, it's uploading and it's processing. So once it's processed, we are going to see the image will appear right here, and So your customer, yeah, this is the image. So now your customers can see what exactly they are going to be paying for. So I believe you're following through this video. So right now I can just click on create link, and it's actually going to create link. As you can see, link successfully created. Now I'll just copy the link right now and go back to our Google site. Now what I want to do now is to add a button. So I'm going to scroll down. So I'm going to scroll down here to click and select button. So right now I'm going to, the name of the button, I'm going to call this buy now. So this is a buy now button. And then the link, remember the link we copied from Flutterwave, just right here, the payment link we created just now and copied. That is the same link I'm going to be pasting here. Okay, so once that is done, just click on insert, and I want to duplicate it. Okay, so that I'm going to add it right here. So once we've done this, now I can take this link and add on this product. Okay, simple. So add it here, take this one, add it here, scroll down, take this one, add it here, then take this one again, add it here. I'm going to duplicate this again, take this one, and then take the last one right now and add it here. So these are the links right now. Okay, so this is what you want to do for every of your products. Okay, so it's very simple. Now this way you don't have to, there's no limit to the amount of products, and it's very easy. I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate your WhatsApp so that people can contact you directly via your WhatsApp in case they are having issues. So now we have fixed all our buy now links and everything. It's looking very perfect now. So what we want to do right now is to continue right now. So what you want to do right now is I like to create like a text. So we're going to create a text. So what I want to do is to add a WhatsApp link or button to this section so that people can contact us directly into our WhatsApp if they are having issues with the site. Okay, so you want to put that on the top or the bottom so that people can easily see it. Okay, so I can say something like reach us via WhatsApp for assistance. Okay, so I can just see something like reach us via WhatsApp for assistance, then I'll align it to the center, and then the next thing I want to add is button. So right now the name on the button will be chat, something like chat now, and then the link. Okay, so for the WhatsApp link, all we need to do is to make sure you have a WhatsApp number, then go to this website called wa.me link. Okay, so if you go to this wa.link, then you can go to create. So once you are in this website, it's called create.wa.link. okay, so once you are here, we want to create automated messages. Now this software is free to use, but they also have a pro feature, which for now we don't need the pro feature. Okay, so the free one is okay for us. So what we want to do right here is to add our WhatsApp number. So let's say I add my WhatsApp number. Yeah, so we want to add our WhatsApp number. So once we've added our WhatsApp number, so let me add my WhatsApp number again. So once we've added our WhatsApp number, then now we want to select the custom message we want to add in case people are reaching out to us, so they are going to be seeing the custom message. Now you can also be seeing the preview right here. So I can say something like hello, something like this. Hello, my name is, so this part they are going to fill out their name before they send it to you. Okay, so I can just leave it this way. So if if you want to add more text, want more text for them to reach out to you, you can do that, but this is okay. So you can also preview it, like just like you see right here. Then once you click on create my link, is actually going to create the link for you. Okay, so I don't want to create the link right now because I already had links that I'm using. Okay, I already have links that I'm using with this number. So just like this, just go do what I asked you, create your link. Now once you've gotten your link, we head over to our site, and then now we paste our link. Okay, so once we paste it, click on insert. Then right here I want to drag this thing to this point, and then yeah, as you can see, we have our WhatsApp link on top. Now remember, you can as well do this thing below, so you can as well make it below. So I just duplicated it. I can as well move everything down here. Okay, so that way we have our contact, WhatsApp contact on top of the website, then we have our products, then we also have our WhatsApp stuff below it as well. Now this is a very good way for customers to reach out to you in case they are having issues on your site. But trust me, this thing is very simple and easy to follow. Now once we've done this, the next thing we need to do is to go to pages, and then we want to create pages. Now there are important pages you must have on your e-commerce website, especially if you are doing any type of e-commerce website. So one of those important page is this about us page. So you want to make sure you have an about us page. Okay, and the next page we want to have now is contact us page. Contact us page. So once you have about us, contact us, then every other page you can add simply. So these are the way you add pages. Now you can edit any of the pages. So once you click on it, you're going to see the information, and then you can add whatever stuff you want to add. Okay, so let me just add a text, a little stuff here. So you can just add text about what your e-commerce website is all about. So once you've added your info, you want to add as many info as possible, and you can also add images if you want as well. So if you click on images, you can upload your image of what your store is all about. Okay, so I'm just going to, let me just look for any image right here and try to use the image as an about us section. So let me just select this image, click on insert, and it's actually going to insert the image. So right now I can expand it to any length. I can expand it to any length. Okay, very simple. So that's one cool stuff about this. So now once we have this, this is the about us section. It looks perfect and lovely and good. So once we have this, we can also go back to pages and go to contact us, add our WhatsApp or our Instagram or our any contact you want to add, just the same way I've showed you earlier on. So as you can see, the pages are going to appear on the top, and on your mobile phone you are going to also see the pages. You can as well decide to hide them if you don't want to show them. So you can just click on this and click on hide from navigation, and it's actually going to hide it from any of your users. So very simple. So this is how you go about it. Now if you go back to the home page, as you can see, we have a very looking website, professionally made and good to go. So right now we can also preview this stuff. So once I click on preview, we are going to find out that this is the store looking perfect. Okay, so this is the name of the store, Cool Store 1. This is the hook, the best store available. Then reach us via WhatsApp for assistance. This is the chat stuff. Then these are the products we have on the store, and as well this is the chat stuff as well. So whichever one they want to click, there are a lot of call to action buttons. It's very perfect and very okay. So right now, let's say somebody likes this product and wants to buy this product. So once the person clicks on buy now, it's actually going to redirect the person to where the person can make payment for the product. So this is the payment page right now. Very simple. So what the person has to do right now is to enter his or her information, and as you can see, we set the currency to USD. We can also set it to Naira. We can set it to whichever currency we want, and the person is going to see that. And once the person has entered the information, he can click on pay now and actually pay with several payment method, either pay with card or whichever method we want the person to pay. Now if you go back to your Flutterwave dashboard and we'll go back to menu, we're going to find out that if you go to settings and go to business preference, you can set up everything you want right here. Okay, so if I go back here and go to transactions, you're going to find out that I've done some transactions right here with this stuff. Okay, so this is a very nice platform, Flutterwave. They can help you collect payment in several countries, and they can send out those payments into your bank account. You don't need any stress. Now you can also do this with PayPal, and you can also do this with Paystack or whichever payment gateway. Okay, so I've done some videos showing you guys exactly how to put that up. If you scroll down here, if you've watched this my other video, the one I made before last year, I showed you exactly how to do PayPal on this video, and I showed you exactly how to do Paystack right here on this one. Okay, very simple. So in this video, I'm showing you how to set up using Flutterwave, which is very nice. Okay, so this is how you set up an e-commerce website using Google Sites, and it's very simple. And you can as well see that if you click on that navigation, you have all the pages we created. Very simple, and they are very good to go. So this is how you do that. If you have any question, guys, I'm on the comment section. Drop your questions there, and I'll do well to reply as fast as I could. And I'll be making more videos for you guys so that you're going to see exactly how everything works. Okay, so this is a perfect way to get your business, to get your e-commerce store up and running. Now I said I'm going to show you exactly how to get a free domain name. Okay, so if you want to get a free domain name, you need to go to this website called freenom.com. okay, if you go to freenom.com, you will get a free domain name. As you can see here, find a new free domain name. Okay, so with this website called freenom.com, you can get a free domain name. Now some of the domain names will not be your regular domain name extension. I'm going to show you some of the free domain name extension you can get. So let's say, for example, this is a domain name. So if you search this domain name .tk, okay, it is going to be free. Okay, so not your regular .com. As you can see here, $0 for this domain name. So these domain name extensions .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, .gq, these are all free domain name extensions. So no matter what the name is, as long as you use one of these extensions, it's going to be free forever. Okay, you're not going to pay anything. Now once you've gotten, if you want to use any of this domain name extension or any custom domain name at all, once you've gotten your custom domain name, then you can watch this next video, which is all about how to connect a custom domain name to your Google site. Now all these videos I'm recommending will be in the description box below. You can check it out. Okay, so if you watch this video how to connect a custom domain name to your Google site, you are going to find out all the information you need in order for you to connect a custom domain name to your Google site. And I'm going to be making a new video showing you exactly how to connect a custom domain name to Google site as well, so you can as well watch the new video when I drop them. Okay, and you can also watch this one, which also have detailed information just that is going to help you connect your custom domain name to your Google site. Okay, so that way you have a very wonderful platform which is free forever for setting up, and you are also going to have your business, have a professional website, and looking great. Okay, so very very cool, and people are going to like your website. It's gonna have a good user experience. Okay, so if you want to add more features to your Google site, you want to have it do more things, then you need to subscribe to my channel, because I talk about a lot of stuff, okay, that is going to help you on your e-commerce and how to make money online and several other ways. Okay, and if you are subscribed already, thank you very much. I have so many other things I will be sharing with you guys as you remain subscribed in my channel. Okay, so that way I'm going to end this video now. We have successfully done exactly what we wanted, and everything looks great. Okay, so if you have any question at all, tell me in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer your questions immediately. So guys, that without wasting more of your time again, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.